They've been
right here behind us. Kill that goose, kill that goose, kill him, kill him, kill him! Kill him again! Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
to my side. Two right in front, two right in front. Kill him, Benny.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him!
Kill him.
Nice.
Did you shoot? Your gun wouldn't shoot?
Benny, kill that goose in front of you, Benny.
Kill him.
Get him, get
Kill
him,
him,
get him,
Benny.
get him.
Kill him, kill him,
Get
kill
him.
him, kill him, kill him. Again.
Get him, get him.
Okay, never mind, your gun's open. Okay, let me have that one. It's frozen. It's frozen.
Kill him, kill him, kill him. Get that one, get that one, get that one. Kill him. All right, you two guys got to go and sit on the edge of the canal. Kill him! Game hog over here.
Put your safety on, Vinny.
Get him, Rod, get him, get him.
Nice shot.
Nice job, Rod.
No, I didn't shoot.
Nice job. Get him. Whoa!
How was that?
Whoa! The old guy can shoot
They
still.
just have to get out a little ways, that's all. Good hunt, guys. You're rocking good there, bud.
No. Get him, guys, get him. Hey! Watch the dog!
Good shooting.
Don't get him on the water. Don't get him on the water. He's gonna get the ones on the water. There's one.
Yeah, there's one over there that's got its head up yet.
A single might come back around, guys.
Good boy. Back that up. Come on.
I'm pretty sure I got two out.
Marty.
Yeah, I think I got two.
Come on,
Number
back
two
that up.
spit the trick.
Now we're hooking BBs. Shooting 3.5 BBs.
Well, I didn't have the BBs in. I was
I would have got
hoping for
one
some
out that was
ducks.
flying off this way at the end there.
Good boy, Marty. Come on. Good dog. Fetch it up. Come on. Good dog. Drop. Hey, ready? Marty, 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 come. Hey. Come on, buddy.
Do you think those guys wanted to be in here?
I didn't shoot.
Yes, they did.
Come on.
They didn't
Hey,
even
fetch that
circle.
up.
They
Good
came
boy.
right in.
Good boy. Got it. Ready? Hey. Marty. Good boy. Fetch it up. Come on. Fetch that up. Come on. Good dog. Good dog. Come on. Let's go.
15 minutes. 20 minutes.
Yes. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Yeah.
Where'd you get him, Keith? I was running back up.
I didn't shoot. It was over here. I'm going to shoot over Charlie's head.
Thank you. Fetch that up, Marty.
It really dropped straight down. Nice ball.
Good boy.
It did.
Good boy. Here. Here. Marty.
Who shot? No, who shot earlier?